Suzuki's DR-Z70 is designed specifically for young riders. The DR-Z70 is a perfect tool for those learning their fundamentals of riding or developing their skills. Powered by a reliable 70cc twin-valve 4-stroke air-cooled engine with plenty of torque to leave the competition in its dust. With more displacement than its class rivals, the DR-Z70's engine provides impressive performance for a smooth, controllable power band. An electric starter at the handlebar start button means the DR-Z is also simple to get going. Alternatively, riders can kickstart the DR-Z, and there's the security of keyed ignition to provide maximum parent control. Accompanying a 10-inch rear wheel, the Suzuki DR-Z is also the first to combine a 70cc engine with a 10-inch front wheel. With styling inspired by its bigger brothers, the RMZ250 and RMZ450, the DR-Z70 has a race-style look that stands out from the crowd, and it's available in an aggressive champion yellow paint scheme. And have I mentioned the DR-Z is still made in Japan? The Suzuki DR-Z70 also comes with an adjustable brake lever and throttle. The adjustable throttle limiter allows supervising adults to adjust throttle opening to suit the rider's ability. And for a limited time only, the DR-Z70 comes with a cool graphics kit which you'll agree looks racy.